Welcome everyone to Ask Yoki. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you. Today we're going to be covering the editor workspace. So we've already covered the Canva workspace, what all these items are. They do, of course, trash. So now let's go into the editor. So I've been trying to think what I can create. So we're just gonna click something easy and random. So let's just click logo. This is the one I just recently did. I'll attach that video probably to this. But let's just go over the editor in itself and all the things, the wonderful things that be. All right. So the design, so this is where I pick my template, right? You can also change up the style of it as well. And then let's say I click this one and I'll click it and let's say, I'm not sure, maybe I like this one better. And then if you're still not sure, then you can click add page is my favorite when I can't decide between designs. These are all things I've used previously, so I can go ahead and click this one, then I'll click add page. Maybe I want to see what this one looks like. So that's just how I go through and pick what if I'm trying to decide between templates before I go into my customization, whether maybe I like a particular font or a specific element off of an item. Instead of going to find it, just click, click whatever it is, add it to your page, and then you can just copy it and paste from there. So that's a little trick I like to use. Why work harder when you can just work smarter? Next, my favorite elements. Canva has so many different elements. When I tell you, there's so much to choose from between grids and little graphics and borders, flowers, you name it. I'm pretty sure, and stock imagery is in here too. You name it, I'm pretty confident it's probably in here. Now with they are always constantly making updates. So of course you got videos, charts, tables, grids, frames, you name it, it's in there, you got it. All right. So of course my recently used are all in here, right? Lines and shapes. Square is my best friend. Square is my best friend. I use it to hide things. It's just my go-to. So as far as like graphics, click graphics, you can see all the different options you have there. We click the back button. You got stickers. You see you have movable animations and animated things, photos, videos, and frames and grids. Now I know a lot of y'all see, I can't remember whether it's in frames where you got the letters and the numbers. If you ever want to add like a photo behind, I'll just click myself. If you ever wanted to add a photo, that's where you would get the frame. Now I know I went kind of fast there, but that's what it is. Our grids, again, same thing. If you want to add a picture and you want it to be sized specifically as a square or whatever, or if you want it just to be in a frame, that's what that is for. It's definitely resizable, so you can kind of pick whatever size you want. All right. And again, as we scroll down, they have so many different options. What you need, you can't find, it's probably either the wording you're typing it, way that you're typing it. Try to use like specific descriptors. So if I wanted like a facial, so I have graphic options, video options, and photos, right? If I pick wax, all right. So that's how you use your elements. Uploads is where you upload your photos. I always upload my logo with background and without. I will also show you how to do that. Text. In my brand kit, I already have my go-to text for, this was for my spa. Hold on, this is driving me nuts. Sorry. So what I tell everyone, it's important when you are picking your font for your business, that's the font you use for your flyers, your business cards. You got to make sure your brand is consistent. Now, I have so many different ones, so everyone has its own little thing. However, my name is in everything, which is Yoki, so everybody knows it's me. All right, projects. This is where you can go and see your recent designs. Photos. This is where you can search again for more stock photos and imageries. If you don't see what you're looking for in the elements, this will help you. Background. I love using backgrounds. However, you don't want it to be overwhelming, and the word I'm looking for is overpower your design. So you want to make sure, we're going to definitely go over the importance of simplicity, as well as you don't want your design to kind of be misconstrued due to like it's hard to read because your background's too bright, stuff like that. Composition, overall composition of your design is what we're going to also go over. So down here are all my folders for my pictures. Google Maps, I can add a specific location if I want to. And QR codes is what I was telling y'all about, are very important since I actually downloaded the Canva app for Mac, but it still seems to use a browser, but whatever. Excuse me. The QR code you would go ahead and put, and let's just do www.instagram.com, generate, and hold on, let me move it. Y'all, sorry, I'm gonna have to just delete, it's in my way. So I guarantee you, if you grab your phone right now, go to your camera, I'm gonna do it with you, it'll automatically go ahead and open Instagram on your phone. All right. So then you can use this for, I like to put QR codes on my business cards, especially if you're passing it out. Something people can go, oh, I love this about your product or a service you offer. I want to book, I want to buy. They can just scan the QR code, because nobody really likes to actually go and type www.whateveyoursiteis.com. All right. Logos. Again, this is in the brand kit. You get that with Pro. And then we have more apps you can use. I don't really use this, but again, it's there and it's available for you. All types of items and applications to make your life easier. I'm not going to go over all of these. You can kind of go over them on your own time. But again, all this is here for you to use. I do know text to image is also really, really good. So like I was saying, if you can't find an image you're looking for, you can type what you want to see. So let's see, New York street with signs. I have no idea, but let's see what it comes up with. Don't ask me why I picked New York. It's thinking. And look at there. New York Street with signs. You gave me some older stuff and newer. I think that's kind of cool. So again, it's a tool ready and available for you to use. So I hope this helped as far as getting to know the editor side. And as we keep going through each video, we'll go more into the specifics of how to utilize each element and how to go from there. I don't want to overwhelm you because Canva is a lot, but I'm here to make it simple. All right, talk to you soon.